How to fix there was an error while preparing to share on your iPhone. So if you're trying to share a photo or video over the iCloud, Google Drive or AirPlay and you're seeing this error message, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this issue. Now, first thing you need to do is go and select the file that you want to share and click on the share icon in the bottom left hand side. You can then press Options, scroll down to the bottom of the page and make sure all photos data is turned on like this. Once you've done that, you can try resending the file and you can check to see if that solves the issue. Now, if it's still not working, let's go and close out of here and then go and load up your settings. You can then scroll down and click on General, click on iPhone Storage, and if you're running out of storage space on your device, this will be the second reason why you're seeing this error message. So you can see right here that I only have 1 GB left on my iPhone storage, so we need to go and free up some space before we can send our files. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see which locations are taking the most amount of storage space. Now, this is usually going to be the data in your Photos app. So I'm just going to come back over to my photos and try deleting a bunch of photos and videos. Now, once you've deleted all of these, make sure to go and delete it from the recycle bin as well. So just click on collections at the bottom of the page, scroll down to the very bottom and press recently deleted, and make sure to go and empty all of the deleted files from this folder. Now, once you've done this, head back over to your photo or video, and you should now be able to send it using AirDrop or iCloud.